Well, I'm so excited to be here today. Our people have worked so hard and partnered with the Bahraini government as we built this state-of-the-art, we call it a factory of the future, to produce Oreos, our Barney products, eventually crackers and other products for the Gulf states, for Eastern Africa, and across all of Asia. We're already exporting product to 13 countries around the world, and by the end of this year, it will be 20 countries.
We witnessed today the launch of another milestone in the development of Bahrain's manufacturing sector through the launch of Mondelēz's second manufacturing plant in Bahrain. Mondelēz being the second largest food company in the world, establishing Bahrain as one of the 6 global manufacturing and distribution hubs, and taking Bahrain as a regional base for manufacturing and distribution.
بالتعاون مع الشركة ومساعدتهم من خلال وزارة الصناعة والتجارة والسياحة والجهود المتبادلة مع جميع الجهات الحكومية في مملكة البحرين.
This is the second Mondelēz factory to establish in Bahrain International Investment Park. The first one was in 2008, the second one is today. It's part of the trend for companies that once they establish in Bahrain and realize what a positive environment both the park and the country provide, they tend to expand and develop both their own business and bring in supplier businesses so that we have a higher level of value added in Bahrain.
Today there is a new pearl in Bahrain, is Oreo. From ocean to Oreo, this will be the future of a wonderful product produced here and sold hopefully in more than 20 countries around the world. Great quality, Bahrain capabilities and Mondelēz success.
We're excited to be here today. We've just had a wonderful event attended by the royal family, members of them, the ministers of the government, in celebrating our opening of our factory of the future to produce Oreo for the world.